Let's say you've been buying dress shirts for a really long time and you're so tired. You are so tired of how they all look like ponchos on you. Well, around here, I'm SG, and we teach you how to alter all your dress shirts. Or you might have a dress shirt that fits pretty well in the shoulders and the chest, but you got all that fabric at the lower back. It's just all poofing out like a big muffin top. Dress shirt darts are one of those alterations that can look small or minor, but it will completely change how a dress shirt looks on you. I'm SD, and if you're new, I show guys like you how to tailor their own clothes at home, and it is way easier than you think it is. And a lot of guys fall into two camps. You either have dress shirts that fit terribly overall, that need a whole bunch of work, or you might have some dress shirts that fit relatively well. It fits fine in the shoulders and in the chest, but at that lower back, you got like that big muffin top, all that fabric just spilling out of your pants if it's tucked in. Well, that, my friend, that's where darts come into play. Because here's the problem. Yes, you can alter all of your dress shirts at home by yourself perfectly fine, but not every single dress shirt problem is a side seam problem. And by that I mean altering the side seams isn't gonna fix every problem on your dress shirt. And darts are a targeted solution for a targeted problem, and they're fantastic. They are really wonderful. Now darts, they're just a controlled fold within your dress shirt that you sew into your dress shirt that are going to fix a very specific area as far as that fabric goes. And instead of making the entire shirt smaller all around you, what darts are gonna do is they're going to target that very specific area and help pull that shirt closer to your body. And I need to say this now so I don't forget, the very first time that you try on a dress shirt with darts, you're gonna freak out. You're going to freak out because you've probably never worn a dress shirt that actually touches your lower back and the front of your body at the same time. So it feels really weird. It feels like it's way too tight. It's not, it's just something you're not used to. Let's say you have a dress shirt that fits relatively well overall in the chest and in the shoulders, but the biggest area that needs work is all that lower back fabric that's going on down there. You can slim the sides, but what's gonna happen is if you only slim the sides, you're gonna have to be so aggressive to actually attack that fabric down there that it's gonna pull everything else out of proportion. So your chest that did fit fine before, now those buttons are pulling at themselves. And that's because altering the side seams, that's gonna change the outside of the shirt, the overall silhouette of the shirt, and darts, they're gonna change the inside of the shirt. Let me explain. Side seams narrow the frame, and darts help flow that fabric to your body more. And that matters because your body, well, it's not flat, it's 3 dimensions. Your chest, your waist, your back, your stomach, they all curve in different ways in different directions, and expecting to use one solution to fix all those problems together, that's where you're gonna run into some issues. And for men's shirts, you're gonna mostly see darts on the very back of the shirt. You're gonna see 2 folded lines that look like they're stitched into the back of the shirt. Those are darts. And they usually start somewhere kind of around the shoulder blades there, and you'll see them go all the way down to the bottom of the shirt. And obviously not every dress shirt is gonna have them. There's a lot of dress shirts out there that go for more of an athletic, like boxier look overall, so you won't see darts in those shirts. But a lot more premium dress shirts, you're gonna see darts in those. And they're great because most guys are gonna need more room in the chest, in the shoulders, but they don't need as much room in the lower back. Darts are also great because they're a fantastic way to make a dress shirt look fitted without looking tight. And that's a really important distinction to make because if it looks like it's tight, that means it's, pulling, it's not moving with the body at all. Every little nook and cranny is pulling at itself. All the buttons are struggling. You don't want that. Fitted is the opposite of that. Fitted means that the shirt, it's able to move with your body and it flows with your body in whatever way that it moves. And it follows your body without squeezing it. In a shirt without darts, it's gonna just hang straight up and down. That's why it can look fine in the chest, but since it's just hanging on you like a poncho, it's just blah. All that fabric is just dangling down there. As magical as darts are, they don't solve all problems or all solutions with your dress shirts. Now, you want to make sure that the dress shirt already fits in the shoulders as well as the collar and the chest. Those are my non-negotiables. Everything else can be fixed. And as far as whether or not you should if you should just take in the sides or if you should add darts, it depends. I like to do both, but let me explain. If the biggest issue of your dress shirt is just the fabric in your lower back, you can get away away with just adding darts. If the shirt needs work overall, if everything needs work, again, outside of the shoulders and the collar, you know what I mean, everything else needs work, I would recommend doing both. Take in the sides as well as add darts, but make sure that you compensate for both. By that I mean, when you're taking in the sides, don't take off too much, because you'll take in the sides, what could happen, this has happened to me a million times, you'll take in the sides and you're like, oh, perfect, I really like this is an awesome fit. Now I'm gonna finish it off with some darts, and you go and add the darts, and the darts throw everything off. Now it's way too tight, way too tight, and you're like, sweet, I ruined it. So make sure that you take off a little bit less on those side seams, and then you're gonna get a general good fit overall. And then when you go to add those darts, you're gonna end up kind of experimenting at first. You can test it out and say, okay, how much do I want my darts to take off? More, less? Okay, perfect, let's adjust accordingly. And like I said, we've made darts on this channel a couple of times. Let's go do just that. Let's take in the side seams of a dress shirt and let's add darts to it. It's in the next video. I'll see you over there. I'm still home alone too, so I can do something even more weird. SD out. Deuces!